parameters show your capacitors have once again reached 100% and are now able to continue with level 3 at this time.
That's cool.
Level 3 complete. Now welcome to levels. I'm currently sensing your opponent is near. However, due to programming upgrades, this game must now save and exit. You can plan to continue where we left off next year. Tonight's performance was performed by the Twin Tigers Aerobatic Team, a TigerAirShows.com production.